Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. I'll be guiding you through how to log into Starmaker application in today's video. To do so, keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To log into Starmaker application, make sure you've downloaded it on your device. After that, tap on Starmaker application from the app drawer or your app list. When you're in, you'll see this kind of an interface on your display. To log into Starmaker, tap on the login button. You can log in with Facebook, Google, or email address and phone number. Choose any one you feel comfortable with. Let me choose the Facebook option right here. Now tap on Continue to your Facebook profile and you have logged in successfully to Starmaker app in no time. To sing a new karaoke, select from the songbook and tap on Sing in order to choose the song you want to try out. Just like that. Tap on OK, let's do it and go ahead and make yourself a star in Starmaker. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If it helped you, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. We'll surely get back to you on it. See you again soon.